money, no.
They was doing in Chile.
And Red Park was having money, they want them in their laugh at time. Red Park say, push the wall, no. You know, laugh at me. I go up me out, I go down and come back onto the wall. They say, move your blood clot and go, where you get one from? But then in the umbrella make nice here, man. You see when I look what I do at Red Park, I know what I do with two blood clot, white tangle gun there and a beer shot in there. Man run and jump and do a, yo, Red Park, when Red Park empty two blood clot gun in there, you know who they draw, who they shot, you know. You just do run. Red Park, just go down a station and put on your gun for the court and say, after time they kill some man, that the police run your walk. When the police pass him, man put on two blood clot 45 on the table.
Nobody no get shot.
Why you man get shot? Nobody no dead, but man get shot. What man get shot? But nobody never did it. They lock up Red Park and send him a gun coat to blood clot.
Why said the police take off running?
Yeah, the police run when the man put two guns on it in a station. Yo, when Red Park come back with a gun coat, you know.
And they have gun too.
When Red Park come back with a gun coat, you know, Red Park and a cook up by yard, you know. And him brother. And him and him brother in an argument in a Red Park. Chip him in and I cut a boy in the water on the fire, you know. And a man say, blood clot, Red Park, make it do that. How you wicked, sir? Red Park say, tell me, show me brother, so I'm wicked and I will kill him.
Bualian.
You know what I say? Now Red Park I work for outside, like how we have black up the building, I know. Red Park I work, you know. And the steel them bend up, like how you see the steel them bend up, but the man put the steel in long. So the steel them bend up in the building, you know. And Red Park I carry in my you know. Red Park come in the building, you know, and buck up one of the steel, you know. And two buckets now and drop it, two buckets and go, you know. And say, Mr. Walters, you better pay me, you know, sir. The Walters say, what now? He said, Mr. Walter, he said, for one of the steel that you cut me bomb buck last year, that jam out in the eye and kill myself, you know.
So you can't live with one eye.
The man say, you better pay me, you go home. Because if one of the steel that jump out in the eye, he might jam out in the eye and kill himself.
Yeah, that did.
The Red Park and the van kick off on the side, you know, man. And then I mash it from the go, you know, like this one. And then I want to rush the mash it, you know. And Red Park take up 2 stone and say, post one, it just bend down. Just bend down like you want to take up that. Then the man have to just walk away from the mash it.
You're not supposed to be in.
I know if you take up in there, you know.
I'm supposed to be in.
I think they just going to look to a big store, but
Oh, Red Park.
yeah,
Red Park are working man, you know, my
big store for big store.
Yeah, so where that man then now,
Well, I don't know anything. No man, I'm working man. Nico, I don't know him. I Jennifer first baby father, you know. The man pick it there to carve, you know. Man, where do you have a story, man?
Yeah.
In the Red Park, man, you take a bush for look. Carving thick with them, bite to them and them and them, man. But Jennifer first pick there for him, man. Man, piece of black put in, so wait for them a bit.
Chef, your action.
Yeah, this is just now. Just got see there. Gibraltar, this. We just do the jazzy boy, see that. Just done it, see the house there. And the Englishman went there, so he just called me, go ahead. Just buy this building and me and him I walk over it and I look. So we feel lose the shade. And then my people are calling me. See, I put up a job for him. Trying to be gone. Alright. Me send the next one can get later.
Alright, here we go. So, I still got some touch-ups to do, but this is, you already seen back here, so we're gonna need to check that out. It's leak, this roof is leaking right here. I don't know what happened, but Ruff has to go check that out up top. It's fucking up my paint job. Alright, so here's the little broom closet. It's not finished painting. He has to putty the other side so I can put some paint on the other side. You know what I'm saying? Here goes the passage in the cream color. See the roof house looking at the drops. Already painted that. The door still needs to be painted over again. All the jam needs to be painted still. I still shit to the left to do. There goes the closet. I put that in the mango because I think it just looks good with the cream. You know, wide shot. Alright, that's the closet. As you can see, Ruff still needs a piece to finish it out. Alright, here goes the bathroom. That's the papaya up top there. Papaya, that's how it looks in the background with the cream. Wow. That's what I'm saying. Still a bunch of work left to do in here, so I'm gonna let Ruff catch you up on that. Well, this is the room. It's come a long way, wouldn't you say? Still all those door trimming is gonna be painted over again and with the paint, with the gloss paint. Staircase right there, gonna need it. Staircase right there, gonna need it. Right. You want people to come back here and get to their apartment, you're gonna have to dig out a walkway right here. That's what I'm saying. Look at that, I almost bust my ass. Up there is eventually I'm gonna build a little hut up there someday, one day for myself, I guess. You position your house right here in the front, so it's not much play in the front to play with. You're gonna need something, you know, to dig out here to get to here. It's a whole lot of digging to do. Fever grass, yeah, probably should move that somewhere. All right, you have it back here now. Then I dig this out, see how close this is to your house. Okay, this embankment where everybody walks by. I have to dig this out too. This is where Ruff and them live. As you can see how close it is right here to the walk up. There you go. And I told you I had a surprise for you. You said Ma should help you with that retainer wall. Definitely, she should. Maybe she did. Hello, look at this. I wanted to keep it a surprise, but surprise! I started digging out the, for the shop last week. Wanted to surprise you, but surprise! So as far as the retainer wall, you can just hook it up now. Look at that. All you gotta do is put the wall up. You see what I'm saying? Half of the job is done.